Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it out.
Lesson 1.3. Clear browsing history in your Chromebook. In your Chromebook, hover over the ellipsis icon on the top right corner and select Settings. In the search bar settings, type History and scroll down to find Clear Browsing Data. You will be prompted to clear browsing history. You can select last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. I will clear my browsing history in the last hour. Select Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, and Cache images and files. Select Clear Data. This might take a moment depending on the data that you are clearing. Once you're done, you can close the settings window. That's it. Happy learning!